primer, I'm going to use the LA Girl Color Correcting Primer in yellow, which helps with dullness. I can't remember if I used it a couple videos back, and I can't remember if I liked it or not, but we're just going to try it because I don't know why. We're just going to use it. I'm so tired today. Like, so tired. Yeah, I'm just going to put it everywhere. That smells good. For foundation, oh my god, I'm almost out of this. I'm gonna take it back a little and go with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I am in the color Y245. This feels really light, like I don't have anything left in there. I'm gonna use the Sigma F88 angled kabuki brush, which is one of my favorites. Oh my god, my nails look so horrible right now. They feel so bad, and I have no time whatsoever this week. Maybe I should stop complaining in my videos, because a couple videos back I got a comment from somebody saying, can I just stop complaining? And I wasn't even complaining about like life things, I was complaining about products that I guess I wasn't happy with. And somebody commented and said, can I stop complaining and just do the makeup for you guys, please? I was like, okay. I wasn't, like I said, I was complaining about a product, but if you don't want to know that I don't like it, then I won't say it. I mean, go ahead, waste your money. For concealer, Tarte Shape Tape. It's probably the same person that always gives me the thumbs down in the first minute I upload the video. And I'm using the Sigma 3D HD blender. It's called. Which it's not wet enough. I'm gonna set that with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Bake Setting Powder. Baking setting powder. Then I'm gonna do my eyes, and I think I'm gonna bring the wing back. Like, I haven't done a wing eyeliner in so long because I got so used to not doing it, and it's just so much easier not to do it than it is to do it. It's just so much easier not doing it, kind of faster than doing it, that I got used to not doing it. So I'm going to be taking the Morphe Ignite the Night collection. I believe it's their holiday collection. This is the 15T palette, and this is the Bling Fling collection of brushes. It comes with 8 brushes. They don't have any numbers on them, so I'm not sure which brush it is, but I'm going to take the color Before, which is like a matte greenish color, and I'm going to apply that into my crease, just blending that upward. And then I'm going to take this, what color is it? I didn't even see what color the name was, but I'm just going to run that on top of it just to kind of blend and diffuse any of the edges and give it kind of a more warmer feel. It's kind of like a matte orange color. And then I'm going to take this brownish greenish color. It's again a matte shadow. It's just a little bit darker than the one I applied first to the crease, and then I'm just going to run that from the inner and outer corner, just basically the same way I did my crease color. And then I put a little bit of the lighter shimmery shadow just on my lid, just because I wasn't sure how pigmented the glitter that I was going to put on top was, so I just wanted this as a base. And I also used another brush from the set, and then I used this glitter that they have 2 different sets, 2 different sets that come with 3. I'm not sure the exact name, but I will list it in the description box. So I just applied that all over my lid, and then I didn't want it like a cut crease, so I kind of blended it out with a brush just to kind of diffuse that harsh line. And I really liked these, by the way. They're probably my favorite. And then I just ran a little bit of that orange, matte orange shade on my lower lash line, and then a little bit of that dark color that I applied into the crease. And then I think I went to my eyeliner next. And then this Morphe liner is also from a collection that they have. It comes with 2, and this one is the blackout color. And I think it was right at this point I realized that both wings were not going to look the same. But this liner did work pretty good. I liked it. I didn't have a problem with it. It wasn't as matte as I liked, but I did like it. And then in my waterline, I added an Urban Decay 24/7 pencil. I think that's what it's called. I don't know the name of it, but it will be listed in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. I really need to warm up my face because I feel like I have no color right now. So I'm going to use Benefit's Hula Light bronzer, which I guarantee you my hair is going to stay like this because I don't even feel like doing it. I'll kind of put that up a little bit. I don't think the Morphe Holiday set, I don't think any of them came with blush. I'm not sure, but I don't have it. If they do have one, if they have something that came with blush, I don't have it. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use the blush brush that came in that brush set. I love, love, love the handles. And I'm gonna use Sigma's Core de Rosa blush, Aurora powder blush. Just one of my favorites. I love this color. It reminds me of MAC's Warm Soul minus like a little bit of shimmer. Just like the color really reminds me. This brush kind of smells funny. A little too carried away with that side. Oh, with this side too. For highlight, they do have a highlighting palette. It's a high impact highlighter palette. Stellar Impact 8S, it says on there. I think I'm gonna mix this color Mirage and Galactic, just because I think Mirage is gonna be a little bit too dark, but I really like the color, and this is a little lighter, so I'm gonna mix those two. And again, I forgot to contour my nose, so a little highlight and then contour after. Use this little iconic London brush. I don't know what brush it is. It doesn't have a number. Ooh. Definitely makes those straight lines. I'm not sure what sets they have as far as lipstick and liner goes, but I do know they have these, what are they called? Lip toppers. They have a lip topper set. I think I'm gonna use one. I'm not sure. I'm gonna spray my face with Urban Decay's De-Slick setting spray. I think I'm just gonna go with a neutral lip. I'm gonna use Smashbox's Always On Stay Neutral liquid lipstick. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe not. Ooh, it's a really pretty color when it dries. I'm just gonna go with Time Los Angeles Macchiato. I don't think I'm gonna use a lip topper after all. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that.